Here we are inside the Hoover Dam exhibition hall, and it just shows all sorts of cool stuff. This is a little interactive display that Lucas is on. This is just, you know, one of those big boards that just shows all the information about it. I love this. This one over here is pretty cool. It talks about the finished dam and how much it weighs. That the Hoover Dam weighs over 6.6 million tons, as much as 18 Empire State Buildings. And then it shows one of their big concrete pourers, puddle muckers. And then this one here shows like how much people got paid an hour to work, and the names and stuff. We are back at the display. Okay, let's go in there. Go ahead. Just wants to go. This is the inside view. Electricity on a large scale. The stator. Electricity is generated when electromagnets on the rotor pass by stationary copper coils in the stator. Stator coils. These copper coils within the stator produce electricity when the rotor's electromagnets spin past them. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's what those are. The pole piece. The rotor. Oh, so this thing. Oh, and here's a good thing. Kind of shows you overhead and underfoot. Kind of a cool cutaway and mock-up of the inside of a generator. One of these big turbines or generators. So the water would push stuff that would turn these, and that's what would create it. Oh, yep. There's a lot.
He has to keep going. Oh wow, yeah.
Instantaneously. Wow. There's a lot. 2 gigawatts of electricity.
That's awesome.
Wow. Oh, we've got a little thing here. What's that? Alright, living room. Okay. Low power. You gotta crank it hard, baby. You gotta get it up there. Uh-oh. Turn on your TV. There you go. Oh. Keep the needle in the green. Keep it in the green. Hold on. So that's if you had to watch TV or something, you'd have to do that. Oh, air conditioner, yeah. Oh, keep cranking. Oh, you're running out, yeah. Yeah, you don't have enough power there, fella. That's funny. Oh yeah, turn the light on too. Lucas has got some